Sorry about that, guys. What is up? Yo, what is up, guys? 2-4 Tyrese. So, like I said, I'm gonna ride up the hill. Hopefully, I don't drop you guys. So, I'm gonna walk my bike up the hill. So, I don't, like, run out of, energy, because sometimes I get out of breath. Because this hill is, like, really steep. So, I'm gonna go fast down the hill. And I'm gonna... Oh, text me. Oh. So, I'm gonna get on my bike. Then I'm gonna face the camera down the hill. And hopefully I don't drop you guys. So let's get going. I'm on my bike. I have to get speed. Three, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! This is fun. I'm gonna turn over here. Slow down. Holy shit. God damn. Ta-da! Well, guys, I'm gonna be showing you some BMX tricks that you can do. So, I'm gonna ride down there, and I don't know where I'm gonna be setting the camera up at, because I'm gonna be going down the alley. There's my brother. He left! He left to go with Charlie! So, I don't know, but I got a few tricks up my sleeve. So, I don't know how I'm gonna set the camera up. So, I'm probably gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna figure it out. I mean, I wish I had my tripod. If it didn't break, if I didn't break it, I would still have it. But, you know, guys, comment down below if you don't donate me a tripod, because I really need one. I'm gonna show you how deep. There's mud right here. I really need one because I'm a YouTuber and I need a tripod. Look how deep this is. Like, look how deep this is. Okay. Got my license plate on. That's a gangster. So, look at that wheel. Okay, guys. Well, look at the wheel. It's deep. Well, I know I shouldn't be riding the car without. Yeah, people say you shouldn't ride, hook up. People say you shouldn't ride on a flat tile, but it's a car. So well, I know it might wreck the rim. I know it might wreck the rim, but I love this car, man. Like, I love it. Well, do you know why this tile is flat? Because we were messing with it. We were hooking it up to our bikes too much, and it got a hole in it. We'll get that fixed soon. I don't know how this tile comes off though. Like, it's just closed, and we can't just find a tile. We need a special tile for this. We need a special tile for this. With that, so I don't know how it comes off. Like, I think you pull this thing. I don't know. I think you pull that. So let's go back to my yard. But that one, I don't know. Comment below if it's a difference, because this tile's not flat. I don't know if it shows a difference. So let's go to my backyard, unhook this, and but got stuck in mud. Let's just go. Okay. Let's get my bike. So I need a place to set up the camera so I can do a Bmx bike trick. I really need like a camera or something. Or I'll just save up for another phone so I can film on it. So I can just use it for YouTube videos. So let's get to my backyard. And hook caught. So I'm gonna unhook it in the ditch. Oh, nope, not the hole. So I'm gonna unhook it in the ditch. So guys, comment down below if I'm doing a good job. Because I think I'm doing a good job. Okay, if you didn't see my hide and seek video, go watch it. Huh? If you didn't see my hide and seek video, go watch it. My sister was over there making a file card or whatever. So I need a place to set up the camera so I can show you my tricks. My Bmx bike tricks that I made my own. So I'll show you where's the board? What is it? is the, oh, right here. So let's set this. That's all. So it's, I just set there so the thing don't get dirty. Actually, first we're gonna switch up things. So I'm gonna show you how massive burnouts that I can. We're gonna switch bikes. So first, I'm gonna use this bike first, then use this bike second. So we need to put down the seat. Huh? Good. I don't care. We need to put the seat down. Like, get the seat the correct way. So, so I don't care. So, this is my old bike. Got the camera. Oh God, I can't. Okay, so look at the quality. Like, so this is my old bike. I mean, it's my old bike. I got it junking or whatever. What are you doing, sis? Are you waiting for painting? So this is my old bike. So, I mean, the handlebars are kind of messed up. Like, they're kind of messed up. So, I'm going to show you the massive bonnets that I can. Then, I just need a place to set the camera. Let's just use this freaking log, I'm guessing. I guess I'm gonna use this log. I guess. Hold on. I gotta get a good angle. So I'm gonna set you guys right here, and I'll be back. The position should be good. So let's set you guys up on this boring old freaking log. facing the alley. Yeah, it is. Yep, of course. A boring old log. So, I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna come down the alley full speed. And I'm gonna do a massive burnout. So, let's do this. I don't care about the handlebars. Don't cut. If you comment down below, your handlebars are messed up. I don't care about the handlebars. Of course. You know what? Screw this bike. Screw that bike. Woof. Let's move on to this. Guys, this is the first trick. Okay. Guys, hopefully the camera caught that. So that was my first trick. Now I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna move on to the second trick. Hopefully The dead ones inside at 7. I don't know. Where's your phone? In here. Hey guys. I'm sorry. Let's just see what time it is. Come on. Of course, it don't work on your phone because the video. Alright. Sorry. You set up on the... That's fine. What? Check your phone for time. So guys, that was my second. Hopefully the camera caught my fourth trick. And I'm going to do in the second trick. So, hopefully I can do this one. Because it's kind of... I'm going to do a hard one. This is my third trick. I'm not gonna do any more tricks because it's painful. Doing tricks is painful. I'm gonna bounce you guys. Yeah, what's up? Oh, crap. Well, guys, this is gonna be it for the Tuesday video. If you already done, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn it gray. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. I post every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So peace. I love you guys. Peace. I love you guys. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Peace. I love you guys. 2 for Terry. Yes out. Oh, outro.